Let's take a look at this problem. Square root of 45 minus square root of 80. And we want to subtract. Now always, when you're adding or subtracting, you can only do that if they're the same radical. Well, these aren't the same. That's square root of 45 and this is square root of 80. So what we'll do is we'll simplify each one first. Now if we look at 45 and we do the prime factorization, I start my first, remember our primes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, sometimes 13. Now I already worked one earlier today, had one greater than 13, like 19. But most problems revolve around these first ones. Okay, I start with my first prime, 2. It's not divisible by 2. So I go to my next one, 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 times 15. Again, how you can determine that is you can plug that in your calculator. 45 divided by 2 gives you decimals. It doesn't go into it evenly. 45 divided by 3 gives you 15. Now I'm still on my prime 3, and this is divisible by 3. 3 times 5. 3 is prime size circlet, and 5 is prime size circlet. So 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. Now if I look at 80, my first prime, which is 2, it is divisible by 2. 2 times 40. 2 is prime size circlet. Now I'm still on my first prime, 2, and this is divisible by 2. 2 times 20. 2 is prime size circlet. I'm still on my first prime, 2. This is divisible by 2. 2 times 10. 2 is prime size circlet. And this is still divisible by 2. 2 times 5. 2 is prime size circlet. And actually 5 is prime size circlet also. So all these number circles are prime factorization. So we got 4 2's. And we got 1 5. Now these are square roots, so we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 3's, so they're going to come out in front as a single 3. And we're left with a 5 inside. Now over here we got a pair of 2's. They're going to come out as a single 2. And here we got a pair of 2's. They're going to come out as a single 2. So we're going to have 2 times 2, and then we're left with a 5 inside. So we got 3 square root of 5 minus 2 times 2 is 4 square root of 5. Now after I simplify the radicals, notice that the radicals are the same. They're both square root of 5. If you're adding and subtracting, your radicals are the same, you add or subtract the numbers in front of them. 3 minus 4 is a negative 1 square root of 5, or just simply negative square root of 5.